Gradually, we come to build our message. And in this video, we'll see how to build a convincing message that will stick. Because simply communicating what you found will not engage your audience and will not convince them on the need to follow your presentation. You will have to make sure your information is an insight to do that. An insight, according to psychologist Gary Klein, is an unexpected shift in the way we understand things. That means that it's not necessarily new per se, but it's rather that it has an impact it didn't have in people's mind before. And we'll do that thanks to the 3 what method. The 3 what method stands for what, so what, and now what. The what. Describe what you observed in your analysis. What is it that you saw and that happened in the business already? This part is technical, so it should be clear and concise. The so what. Identify the implications. Here it's the emotional part in which you should be able to answer to the question, what's in it for me? It's generally when I speak of the financial impact on the full year, and this is interesting because people are concerned about their bonuses. But if you have something that matters even more for them, their daily lives, their teams, their main customers, it's even better. The now what? Now that you clearly stated that it would have an impact on the long run, if we don't do anything, you will help defining a course of action. And I insist on saying help because you'll bring options, made more concrete thanks to valuation of each action. Present it like a Chinese menu and make sure you don't play the Mr. Know-it-all. So what does that mean practically? Well, you tell me. Use the diary of the course and fill in the form with your main message and the supporting messages of the previous exercises. Here are some tips. Be concise. Take information from the previous exercises and from the interviews you've had with your business partners. Write full sentences, but don't focus too much on the language. To find the diary, just click on the button below and come back to the video when you're done. I hope you managed to be inspired and fill in the form to have for all your messages and sub-messages a what, so what, and now what. This method is the key to make sure people will listen to you. Simply because, thanks to that, you will focus on the past with the what and what has happened, on the present with the so what and with what the impact on the audience is, and on the future with the now what, because you consider the next steps. This technique is as such the cornerstone of financial storytelling and the main differentiator with how finance presentations are usually given.